Hello viewers. The Flipkart Code Sale Early Access is going live tonight at midnight for Plus and Black members. If you are planning to buy any tablet, laptop, smartphone or any other gadget, my biggest advice is this: buy it at the earliest opportunity. The best deals and limited stock prices usually disappear quickly, and many products either go out of stock or their prices increase later in the sale. But before you place your order, don't make the mistake of buying blindly. On this channel, I will tell you the best sale price you should pay for every popular tablet. Actually, I have made many videos regarding the best price of each and every tablet, so you can watch those videos also. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, in that case the best price would be around 29 to 31,000 rupees. And if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be 38 to 40,000 rupees maximum. Many people are eagerly waiting for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, but sadly there will be no offer on this tablet in this sale. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Oneplus Pad 2, in that case the best price for Oneplus Pad 2 would be around 30 to 32,000 rupees for the 128GB, and for the 256GB the best price will be around 33 to 35,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad Lite, in that case for the 6GB RAM the best price is around 12,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 8GB RAM variant, in that case the best price would be around 13 to 14,000 rupees maximum. The next tablet in the list is MotoPad 60 Pro. The best price for MotoPad 60 Pro 128GB variant is 21 to 23,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB, in that case the best price would be around 25,000 rupees maximum. If you want to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price for iPad 11th generation is 29 to 30,000 rupees maximum. One more bonus tip: at the time of buying any product, use your credit card so that you get 10% instant discount. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet or iPad you are planning to buy in this code sale. I will make another video mentioning whether the prices are good enough for your purchase or not. So stay subscribed and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.